Hey there, welcome to Van Buren Pressure Washing. This is a nice little setup for this job. I had my ladder, shop broom, extension cord, the pressure washer, of course my water bottle, gotta stay hydrated. This was a pretty nice job on this summer home here in southwest Michigan. The owner said that he was having some issues with algae and dirt building up on his siding, and also some large moss growth up on the north side of the roof, where there's of course not as much sunlight, and that moss can kind of thrive in the shade and in the dampness. So just walking along here, you see all this algae and dirt that's built up on the vinyl siding. Of course, vinyl siding is a treat because it's so hardy and really comes clean nicely when you're done giving it a good spray. I was having the same issue back on the garage here. You can see on the John boat, on the siding, on that propane tank, just really covered in dirt and algae, and I think it had been quite some time since the previous owner of this place had done anything to this area. The client had only owned the place for a year, so he was kind of looking to get some of these things nice and clean. And then a view from the garage roof, you just see all that moss that had been building up probably for years. Some of those little colonies were really pretty significant. And the client also said that there was a lot of those little helicopter seeds and some dirt and moss that had completely clogged the gutter, so that was another part of the job, was to get that gutter cleaned out. You can see here that the gutter is just completely full. So nothing too crazy, just a few years of neglect. Gonna go ahead and start by just giving everything a good sweep. That roof swept off, time to plug in the pressure washer. Got our nozzle selection here. We've got a few different angles that we can pick from. I went with 15 because it looked like it could use a pretty aggressive attack. There's the 15-degree nozzle. as you can see, everything turned out really nice on this house. That vinyl siding just comes super clean and essentially looks completely brand new. And the window frames came clean, and the AC unit was pretty clean. Rooftop looked good. All this siding along here just really vibrant, really looking nice. Nice and clean. Back on the garage, you can just see that LP tank really cleaned up nicely. The John boat got that hosed down and got all that debris cleared off of it. The vinyl's still a little discolored, that's just because it was still drying. Up on the roof, you can see all that moss came off really well, and the shingles can kind of finally return to doing what they were meant to do and protecting the garage rather than being attacked by all that growth. And here's a view from up on the house. You can just see those shingles really cleaned up nice.